Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. Today I share with you this delicious yet easy pancake recipe with you. Very easy to put together and you will surely love this. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Now, without wasting my time, let's dive right in. For ingredients, I'll be using 4 eggs. You can also use any amount of eggs that you want, but 4 is just perfect for this recipe. Next, I'm going to be using melted butter, granulated sugar. Moving forward, I'm also going to be using vanilla essence, nutmeg. For the essence, use any flavor of your choice. Moving forward, I'm also going to be using flour, which is all-purpose flour, evaporated milk, and salt to taste. So basically, this is going to be my ingredients. So moving forward to a bowl, I'm going to transfer all my 4 eggs, and I'll use my hand whisk to whisk until the eggs is nice and well mixed. After that is done, I'll go in with the rest of my ingredients. Alright, so moving forward, I'll go in with my sugar. Use any type of sugar that you want. Alright, moving forward, I'm going to mix the sugar alongside with the eggs until the sugar melts beautifully. While that is done, I'll also go in with my melted butter, vanilla essence, my evaporated milk, and I'll mix all together until everything is nice and well incorporated. Alright, so while that is also done, I'll go in with my dry ingredients, which I'll be going in with some salt to taste, nutmeg, and my flour. For the flour, you can also use any type of flour that you want as well. This is all-purpose flour. You can use self-rising flour, plain flour, soft flour, hard flour, just any flour that you want. Alright, so I'll mix everything well, just the way you see it on your screens right now. With the hand mix, it's going to be very difficult a little bit when mixing it. It's going to create a little bit of lumps, but don't worry. You just have to take your time, be patient with it, and stir very well until you get lumps free. If you also don't want to stress yourself like this, you can transfer all your ingredients into a blender and you can blend until everything is nice and well combined, or you have lumps free, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And the consistency of your pancake shouldn't be very runny. This is the right consistency that I'm looking for, and it's just perfect. So moving forward to a pan, I'll drizzle just a little bit of oil, just the way you see it on the screens right now. I'll allow it to heat up a little bit and make sure not to turn the flame to high heat. The flame should be on low medium heat or low heat. And after it's nice and well heated, I'll go in with some of the pancake butter. I'll spread it out in the pan very well, just the way you see it on the screens right now. And afterwards, I'll leave it on the fire for about 1 minute approximately, and it should be ready for you to flip it over. And after 40 seconds to 1 minute of being on the fire, it is turning out so great. It's looking all good right now, so it's ready. I'll flip it over for the other side to also fry a little bit. And at this point, I just didn't love the outcome. I was expecting it to be more brown, so I just have to flip it over again. But the other side was looking just perfect, and it was all done. Pancake doesn't take a lot of time to fry. Approximately 2 minutes, it should be okay. So as you can see, it turned out so great and just perfect. So I'm going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Remember not to use too much oil when frying pancake, and also make sure to lower your heat to achieve the perfect pancake ever. Alright, so now let's repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. And if you haven't turned on the post notification bell, what are you waiting for? Can you do turn it on so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, baby, what are you waiting for? It is absolutely free, so do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this easy pancake recipe. It turned out so great. The taste was just amazing as well, and I hope you're going to give this easy recipe a try. I enjoyed mine with some chilled drink. You can also pair this with anything of your choice. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.